Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to reset your password via email at login on the X app, formerly known as Twitter, using a PC. If you've forgotten your password or just want to set a new one, don't worry. The new update has made the process simpler and faster. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your PC. Once it loads, you'll be taken to the sign-in page. In the username field, type in your username or handle as you normally would. Next, click on the option that says Forgot Password. You'll then be asked to enter the email address linked to your X account. Make sure it's the same one you used when you first signed up or last updated your account details. After typing it in, confirm your entry. Now head over to your email inbox. Within a few moments, you should receive an email from X with your password reset code. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder just in case it landed there. Once you have the email open, copy the code provided and return to the password reset page in the X app. Paste or type the code into the text box that asks for it, then click Submit. This confirms that it's really you requesting the reset. After that, you'll be prompted to create a brand new password. Choose something strong but memorable. A mix of letters, numbers, and symbols works best. Type your new password, confirm it, and then save your changes. That's it. You've successfully reset your password using your email at login on the X app for PC. The next time you sign in, just use your updated password, and you'll be back to sharing posts, exploring topics, and connecting with your followers in seconds. If this walkthrough helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Thanks for watching.